A modern camping-style home design is what the homeowner wants, as it is mesmerizing for their family. At the entryway, we've installed the beautiful 𝘿𝙚𝙾𝙈 lighting to create a beautiful diffusion of light and illumination. Making the most out of a big space, we've created a muted color and earthy tone in the living area. Combining with warm, neutral shades and bright lighting, ventilation creates a cozy feeling. As we've enlarged the new alfresco dining area, we've shifted the wall in between the backyard and the existing wet kitchen area. As the homeowner's wife prefers a pinch of Kampung-vibe in the kitchen dining area, we've blended the nostalgic aesthetic into the modern design. The existing backyard of the house is open air. We've enclosed the outdoor dining area using a large sliding glass door. These obvious visual clarity panels appear seamless and maximize the view from outside in and inside out of their mini backyard's garden. We've designed a symmetrical storage cabinet to fit in a comfortable composition at the bedhead and side table of the master bedroom space. Good storage solutions are crucial to any room space. This composition is a perfect balance and ratio for the interior space in this room. The gold strips at the other side of the wall gives a minimal luxe vibe in the room. The walk-in wardrobe to bathroom arrangement gives direct access to clothing changing, as well as extra privacy while getting dressed. Wall storages is the key for creating more storage spaces, which look neat and sufficient for essential keepings.